Here is a wonderful 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. This vehicle still has fewer than 70,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Dodge Grand Caravan, the quintessential 7-seat minivan that has the power, safety features, and lush amenities to make your road trips and projects a breeze. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, power liftgate, backup camera, fog lamps, electronic stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, third-row seat, aluminum wheels, trip computer, power windows. Make the most of your family's growing years. Get into the Grand Caravan and enjoy the ride.